Hi guys, and welcome to this session of Ask Advisory. Today I'm going to talk all about the Facebook algorithm and how to beat it, or more importantly, how to understand it so you can make it work for your business. Now, if we haven't met before, my name is Anna and I am the founder of Advisory. I started Advisory because I wanted to make marketing expertise accessible to businesses of all sizes, and because I wanted to help businesses understand the often overly complicated world of digital marketing. I have an MBA in marketing and finance. I've spent 10 years in advertising agencies and have been media directors in multiple of them. And I am here today because I love talking about Facebook and Instagram ads, but digital marketing as a whole. And we have these Ask Advisory sessions every Tuesday and Thursday where I talk about different topics, a lot of times about Facebook and Instagram ads, but also digital marketing and media as a whole, and also talk about business and how our business can help yours. So today I'm talking all about the Facebook algorithm. So one thing that's really important to understand about the Facebook algorithm is that it is like any other statistical mathematical equation. So the more data that Facebook has about your business or your audience or what you're trying to accomplish, the better it's going to be at getting the results that you want. So when you are running Facebook and Instagram ads for your business, when you're only spending $5 or $10, you're usually not giving Facebook the data that it actually needs to optimize for your goal and what you're trying to accomplish with your business. So a great example of this is when I see businesses, the very first thing that they start out on is saying, I need people to come to my website because I want more sales. So if it's an e-commerce, they immediately start placing ads with the objective of conversions. But the problem is that they're usually not getting enough conversions or spending enough money to get enough conversions for Facebook to have enough data to actually optimize for conversions. So if you are going to run conversion ads for your business, that can be, whether it's an e-commerce store and you're optimizing for sales, maybe you're optimizing for add to carts, or if you are a service-based business and you're wanting to get more leads or more email subscribers, whatever that conversion or that action that you want someone to take, you have to be getting a minimum of 20 to 50 of them per week in order for Facebook to have enough data to reach a conclusion and optimize for the action that you're wanting, that is your goal. So again, Facebook's algorithm is like any other statistical equation where the more, or even research, the more data that it has, the better conclusions that it can make, and then it can change who it's serving your ads to actually optimize for and get people who are most likely to take the action that you're wanting them to take. So that's really how Facebook's algorithm works. Now, if you are starting out with Facebook and Instagram ads and you're not seeing 20 to 50 conversions to start, then you're probably gonna at least wanna start with traffic ads. So getting enough people through your funnel that it eventually gets to 20 or 50 people per week who are taking the action that you want them to take. And then you can actually switch to optimizing for conversions. Now, one thing I do want to note is that none of this matters if you don't have your pixel installed on your website. So if you do, even if you don't plan on running Facebook and Instagram ads for another 6 months or a year or maybe never, you should at least put your Facebook pixel on your website, because Facebook is going to start learning about the audience of your website, who's actually going through the entire purchase cycle, or who's filling out a specific form on your website, whatever it may be. The minute that you put your pixel on your page, Facebook is taking in that data and you can use that data eventually when you do decide to invest in Facebook and Instagram ads. Now, I know the topic today is a little advanced, but it's really important to understand because I see a lot of businesses make the mistake where they say, we're going to run Facebook and Instagram ads, I'm going to optimize for conversions, and I'm going to spend $100. And then they get nothing. Or maybe they get one conversion and they get really upset about it. And the reason why it's not working is because you're not investing in it enough to give Facebook the data it needs to actually optimize for the action that you're wanting. So that's your takeaway for today. Again, every Tuesday and Thursday, we have these Ask Advisory sessions where we cover different topics on Facebook and Instagram ads and digital marketing as a whole. And if you haven't already, make sure to check out our free mini course on Facebook and Instagram ads and how to use them to grow your business even on a small budget. And if you want to learn more about how to implement all of the things that I talked about today for your business, make sure to check out Advisory Insiders. It's our membership program where we teach you all about how to use Facebook and Instagram ads to grow your business and reach your goals. It includes over 40 plus trainings, step-by-step trainings. It includes a community with other entrepreneurs and marketers where you can get your questions answered, and live Q&A sessions with me where we can actually go into your campaigns and I can help you figure out what's working and what isn't working. All right, until next time, I will see you guys later. Have a good one.